So now we come to an important question. What are the processes that actually create density stratification, stable density stratification? Okay, so we have a little sketch here. Okay. So there's only three ways of how you can change or how you can create density. Either through interaction with the atmosphere, so air-sea fluxes, okay, of density. Or you could have effects of water coming from the side, either near the surface. We call this advection. Advection is the movement of water, so the advection of lighter water coming from the side. Or you might have actually the advection of heavier water at depth. Okay, so if you think a little bit about it, indeed, what you come to the conclusion of, well, how you can decrease the density of the surface mix layer is through atmospheric heating. So through an air-sea heat flux, warming the surface. How you also can change lower the salinity is if you have precipitation. You have the addition of rainfall, which lowers the salinity. It can also happen. Or you have the melt of ice. You melt sea ice. It also releases sea ice, has a very, very low, depends on how old it is, but it has a lower salinity content. Okay, and you essentially add meltwater to the surface. All right, so if you think about lateral, means from the side processes, indeed, if you have a river plume, river water injected into the ocean, it injects low, light water which stays near the surface. Okay? Continental runoff. Indeed, and I already mentioned the melting of sea ice. It's not a lateral. I mean, you have to. Sea ice can be moved into certain regions and melt. Okay, these are the processes